shove it in. How is it that like, what did I do wrong with this? I don't know. It doesn't look right. Nah, it looks okay. It's just look how that nose is protruding. His other arm is short. Underneath the tension. I'm gonna speed this up in post. At least this is like an hour of me not looking at my phone and doing nothing. Or, well, I shouldn't say that because y'all are watching me do this through your phone, so thank you. And then I put it into the hole. Gosh, I'm craving like pizza right now. It's a person now. Hi, I'm Tad. Just put that there for like stimulation. We're almost there. Attach the tail to the back where it helps the plushie sit. Oh, so it's a load-bearing tushy. Yeah, I'm starting to be more proud of this, and the value of it's going up now. I'm gonna sell this for $2,000. Yeah, it's a hobby original. So look at him. He sits, and he has a deviated septum nose. You know, don't be afraid to take up a crochet project because you just saw I made a whole bunch of mistakes and it still looks freaking cute. And if you're giving it as a gift to someone, no one's gonna notice. I think maybe, unless they're super judgmental. But look at that. It is he's a bear. Totally the same as the box. Oh, that's over. Kits are nice, especially with the tin because you can reuse them to put your things into. And also the heart pattern, you can make that individually too to make like keychains and things. Just kind of, it's a nice heart, but yeah, I need to adjust my tension on it. Anyways, yeah, I wonder what is gonna be my next project. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.